I am live. I am live. I am on now 2 different streams simultaneously. I'm testing on Ubuntu stream, testing on Windows versus Ubuntu stream. My bit rates on both of these might be a bit low. It looks like that my Windows machine is complaining more about the bit rate than the Ubuntu machine, but the Ubuntu machine is on my left, closer to the Wi-Fi box than my Windows machine here on the right. So maybe I feel like I should turn off my Wi-Fi just so that I can have a bit more bandwidth in the house, but I thought I'd have a decent amount as it stands. So I actually do not know how this looks on the internet itself, but I'm very interested in finding out whether or not I can swap between them. So I've been doing this every single time. It takes, I guess, a couple of minutes to go through. So on this one, I'm going to do it primarily for gaming. That's you over here on the right. And on the left over here, I'm going to be doing it for primarily for graphical cool shit with the 5090. I'm going to be running Llama, which, we're here right now. We might as well have a look at Llama. I did Gwen 3. That's to these guys over here, by the way. Sorry about that. If you want to go see that, tell me if you can find my second stream, and I will see. I can see a live chat if it pops up. Okay, cool. And over here, I can see a live chat if that also pops up. Right now on this screen over here, I will have Llama running, but I have Comfy UI currently running. So I'm just going to end Comfy UI for the moment, and I'm going to open up a new window, and I think Llama, how do you run that again? Llama run. Or I can do a Llama list first, because that would be helpful. So Llama run Gwen 3, and this thing is amazing. Alright, let's just expand that out. And okay, I will also show the mission center to show what's happening when I do this. Okay, so let's say I want to talk to a Llama or to Gwen. Gwen, how are you doing? How are you today? Do you remember who I am? So I don't think it has any memory of who I am from the last chat. Okay, so you can see its thinking window over there. So, okay, the user is asking how I'm doing, and if I remember who they are, let me start by responding to their first question, since I don't have feelings. I hate that response. I'm just a friendly AI assistant, so I don't have feelings or memories like humans do, but I'm always happy to help you. What can I help you with today? Let me make sure things, okay. Tell me my name. I'm gonna have to put memory onto this thing. I'm sorry, but I don't have the ability to remember name. Okay, so it does within the chat itself. My name is Owen, and we are streaming on YouTube. Say hello. Okay, so you notice it's actually really quick, and it's very good at writing code. So let me have a look, and you can see that the GPU jumps up quite a bit whenever it's working, so it's using up quite a bit of memory. It's using a 14B model currently. I would love to put on a 32 gigabyte model. It works better on a Mac in that instance. Because you can get unified memory of like 64 gigabytes, 128 gigabytes. But in this case, I should actually try and set up a link between this YouTube stream on the right and this YouTube stream on the left, so that you can both see each other's streams if you're interested in seeing one thing or the other. But I'm primarily going to be using this one over here to be looking through are testing out all the latest AI stuff. So I want to do some test vision stuff, whereas I haven't had the chance to do one or the other. So I will now be setting that up to do a live streaming of taking in video from someplace else, converting it over like I did in my other streams, and testing out the best available video models or vision analysis models. and I also want to put on some voice assistant onto it. And then secondly, on this computer over here, there are some games that I've been wanting to try. Like, I don't know if I'm up for playing Elden Ring. Baldur's Gate looked good, but I don't think that that is so exciting. But welcome to have suggestions on the stream. I hope I didn't put too many people off today with the amount of like live stream that I've been doing. But I just wanted to see what would happen if I could actually run two things. And it seems that if you want to do it yourself, have two streams running simultaneously. When you go into the Google Studio, you have to go and when you go to schedule an event, and you say schedule a stream. So let's say create a new one, blah 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 blah. Just go next, and then it's next, and then let's say June 3rd for the sake of it. And if you go in to do that, you will eventually get it. Okay, yeah, so what you do under the default stream key area, I have Ubuntu set up and I have my Windows set up over on the right. So I'll just show you that on the Windows setup, guys, if anybody popped on here. So you can go into this and let's see if you can click on it. You can change the setup over here, okay? So I have it on default, and then there's Ubuntu setup, okay? So I'm gonna go and see if both of these streams came down simultaneously, and I realize now that I have two computers running simultaneously, I need to have 4 monitors, just so that I can circumvent myself. Okay, thank you all for helping me test this out today. I promise next time I will not be so irritating with respect to the streaming pop-ups if anybody's popping on. But it says go live, but I'm actually already live. Back, and how do I end these streams? Okay, if I go back here, I can go testing on Windows, testing on Ubuntu. I can end the stream, and if I go to back, testing on Windows, I can end the stream, and bye bye guys.